Hi, are you looking to learn how to make amazing blueberry muffins? This channel's here for you. Hi, my name is Chef Edward, and I'm a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I learned along the way. So today we're making blueberry muffins, and to start off, we have 2 cups of flour, we have a cup and a quarter of sugar, we have 4 ounces of melted butter or semi-soft butter, we have 2 eggs, we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have a half a cup of milk and also 2 cups of blueberries. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to take our butter and our sugar and we are going to mix them together to cream them. So we're just going to mix it. That's why you want soft butter, not melted butter, but just soft. So it's easy to cream. Actually, it'll be easier with a spoon. Lost a little there. Okay, next we're going to add our eggs and our vanilla extract. Gonna whisk. And stir them in like so. As you can see. Now we are going to add our flour half at a time. We're going to add our baking soda, our salt. We're going to do a little bit of stirring so we're not making a huge mess. Like so. Now we're going to add the rest. Now we're going to add our milk. Now it should be pretty thick, as you could tell. Now we're going to add our blueberries. Now you want to add pretty much almost all of them. Keep a little bit aside. So when you're scooping out your mixture into your muffin tins, that you'll still have some blueberries left because you don't want the last one with no blueberries. So that's why I usually keep a little bit on the side just to add to the mixture. So okay. So we are going to add it to our oven, which is already preheated at 375. We are going to cook it off for 30 minutes or until it's cooked all the way through. And as you can tell, this one I add the blueberries and mix them in because you don't want the last one with no blueberries. Alrighty. So we have our muffin mix. Now I like to add a little bit of sugar on top It's up to you if you want sugar or not on it, but I like to. It adds a little crispy crust on top, so like a sugary crust. And I'll do a couple without it as well. So we're going to add it to our oven now. It's going to be cooking for at least 30 minutes or until it's done. Okay, now it's time to check our muffins, see if they're done or not. Okay, these look beautiful so far. Let's check. So I have a toothpick. I'm gonna poke it inside the muffin, and if anything comes back out, oh, it looks good. So I'm going to let the muffins rest for another 20 minutes before it's ready to eat. Okay, the muffins rested for at least 20 minutes, and now it's time to try. Out, peel it. Now that's a good muffin. If you'd like to see more content like this, please subscribe. Now it's your turn. Thank you for watching.